Hello everyone, I'm Andy.
And this is Luke. And we're here to talk about the new range of summer shoes.
Yeah, why not?
So, to get us started, why do Mod Shoes offer a range of summer shoes?
The summer shoes started because we found a pair that was not dissimilar to this one here when me and your mum were out looking for shoes. And in a warehouse, they'd been there years. I don't think they'd... Anyway, we brought them back to the UK and they sold out like in a week. And I think the main reason is they're tidier than perhaps wearing just a kind of a trainer, you know, and obviously like an Adidas or something like that on holiday. And yeah, they're just better than that, if I was honest. So, yeah,
absolutely. I mean, I've had a few pairs of these ones myself over the years, worn them on holiday. And if you can see on the camera the little holes in there, but you sort of don't need a pair of socks with them.
Yeah.
They're really light, they keep your feet cool, but offer a bit more support than if you were just wearing a pair of flip-flops or sliders or something like that. And, as you say, they look an awful lot tidier.
Yeah, I think that's the thing. When you're on holiday, I don't know about you, but your flip-flops kind of, you're on the beach.
Yeah, or around by the pool. Or, yeah.
But of an evening, you don't really want a formal shoe. You certainly don't want, you know, like, I mean, trainers for me were a bit of a bugbear. I'd always get my feet warm and stuff like that. And it was uncomfortable of an evening. Whereas these, I wear these like kind of all the time over here in the UK, and I think you do the same.
I do in the hot weather, yeah. So why do we have so many different styles on offer?
This year we've got a few more. Over that end of the slip-ons, we're doing them for 80s Casuals. 80s Casuals, it's a big website here in the UK, if you've not heard of it. They do a lot of like the feeler and all of the kind of stuff. And they liked what we did. We've never offered wholesale before, but we did a range with them. So they've gone for the... They say that they're more like something Wham would wear. That's what Neil's thought process is there, I think. So, yeah, but they're neat and tidy and they do the job. The ones in the middle here, the cord ones, the Cortezes, we've done them for years now, and they've been extremely prepped. There's, I think it's going to flick up on the screen in a minute. There's a picture of Steve Craddock wearing his at Abbey Road when he's recording with Weller. So yeah,
I mean these are lovely. I mean they look like a pair of smart shoes for an evening. You know, going to a barbecue or something in the hot weather. Like you say, you don't necessarily want to be fully dressed up and getting too hot, but like they just look really smart. They're really stylish.
Well, I must admit, I know you're always trying to be positive on these things, but we do get the odd, what's mod about then type person. And I think my answer to that is, are you seriously going to go to a barbecue with a full suit on, dressed head to toe with your mod and you like that? No, you want something tidy, but you want to look smart. You don't just want to wear scruffs.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It's literally like that. So that answers that kind of argument. Moving over to here, Luke, we did the ones you've mentioned before with the holes. Great for keeping your feet cool. Over here, there's a bit more. These are a bit more solid. Mateos. Here we've done it with the beige this time, or a cream colour, and the cord. So that's a bit more, I suppose, a bit more England summer.
Yeah, but it's still lighter than a lot of pairs of trainers. It's still not going to make your feet too hot, are they?
No, there is, and this is a bit more solid. So you know they've got. I mean, I wore mine around Seville, walked around for hours on end. So
that's what I was thinking, like a walking holiday. You know, well, not a walking holiday, but a holiday where you're sightseeing and doing a bit more moving around.
Yes.
You know, that's the support that you need for spending a day.
Well, this is the thing, isn't it? When you go abroad, I mean, I went to Rome with your mum, and I had a pair of. I went that first time, and I was determined to wear a pair of loafers. You know, like a pair of, you know, the ones we do, and they were lovely. But I was getting warm, and it was ridiculous in the middle of summer. You need something like this.
Yeah, perfect for that.
Yeah.
So the choice of materials then.
Yeah.
So just talk me through that quickly.
Yeah. So we got
cord is infinitely popular across all of our range of stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. Understatement. We do what they call Regella, which is basically it's like a material with holes in it. The cord again, and then over here we've got there's a suede right over the far end there. Yeah. Which is nice. That's a lovely colour, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. And they look nice and smart again. So
yeah. And and draw attention to this particular one, which is like a smaller version of that, and that's obviously for the women out there.
Which is a new thing for this season, isn't it?
It is a new thing for this season.
The women's sizes in some of the summer shoes. So.
Yeah, I thought that'd be fun to do. These are always very popular.
Cool. Oh. Hello. Okay. Well, thank you for that.
Who was that?
Oh, it was just Lee. He was saying he prefers his Jesus creepers.
With socks?
Yeah.
Anyway, that's enough about the summer shoes, I reckon.
Yep.
Finishing on that bombshell.
All of these new styles are available on the website now. So available for the usual next day delivery as the weather is hopefully getting warmer.
Yes.
Get them now. modshoes.co.uk.
Thanks for watching. See you again soon.